Keep fit, understanding and using this popular English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into a commonly used English phrase, keep fit. This phrase is not only popular but also very important in daily conversations, especially when talking about health and lifestyle. So, let's explore what it means and how you can use it in your everyday English. Keep fit is a phrase that means to stay in good physical condition. It involves regular exercise and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. This phrase emphasizes the ongoing effort needed to stay healthy, rather than reaching a fitness goal and stopping. It's a lifestyle choice more than a temporary effort. Keeping fit is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, it improves physical health, reducing the risk of diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and obesity. Secondly, it boosts mental health, as exercise releases endorphins that make you feel good. Lastly, staying fit can enhance your quality of life and increase longevity. Let's look at some examples of how keep fit can be used in everyday conversations. 1. In a casual conversation, I've started cycling to keep fit. 2. Offering advice, you should try yoga or swimming to keep fit. 3. Discussing habits, I keep fit by walking to work instead of driving. Notice how the phrase can be adapted to different situations, always focusing on the activity that leads to staying fit. While we're on the topic, here are a few tips on how to keep fit. 1. Regular exercise. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. 2. Healthy eating. Focus on a balanced diet with plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. 3. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. 4. Rest. Ensure you get enough sleep and take rest days to allow your body to recover. And that's a wrap on Keep Fit. Remember, keeping fit is about making regular, healthy choices that benefit both your body and mind. We hope this video helps you not only understand the phrase better but also inspires you to incorporate it into your daily life. Stay tuned for more videos, and as always, keep learning and keep fit.